Video number 7, Fundamentals, Conversion of Fraction. In example number 26, for A, it's in simplest form. Number B, we can round it, so it will be 3 plus 1000 power 2 divided by 1003. 1000 power 2 will be 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. Plus 3, so here 3 and here 1, 0, 0, 3. If we divide it, we can put here 3, so here we cancel 3 zeros with the 3 zeros, so it will be 1000. And we round it, we increase it, so that value is less than 1000 because we increase it to get 1000. So if we return it to the original value, it will be less 1000. So here value A is greater than value B. Or according to the rule of comparing fraction, here 1000 over 1, and we make cross product in this direction, and we make cross product in this direction. So 1000 times 1003, and here 3 plus 991 squared. That value is greater than that value, so A greater than B. So to make conversion between fraction, we multiply cross multiplication, and the one to the head of the arrow is greater is the greater value. Your answer is A. And question number 27, here 2 divided by 1 over 3 will be 2 times 3 over 1. To make division for fraction, we convert it to multiplication and make reciprocal. 2 times 3 is 6. And here 3 divided by 2 is 3 times 2 over 1, it's also 6. Which one is greater? The two values are equal. In question number 28, value B in simplest form, so we will solve value A. We simplify 3 with 3 and 5 with 5. Here 7 with 7, 4 with 4, and here 5 with 5, and 3 with 3. So the rest is 6 over 5. 6 over 5, compare it with 4. We make cross multiplication. 4 times 5. 4 times 5 is 20, and 1 times 6 is 6. So 20 is greater. So 4 is greater than 6 over 5. Value B. And question number 29. 5 over 6 times 6 over 5 is 1. We cancel 5 with 5 and 6 with 6 is 1. 6 over 7 times 7 over 6 also 1. 1 times 1 is 1. So value A is 1. Here 1430 and 1430 will cancel. It's 1. Here 1431 greater than 1429. So value B is 1 point something greater than 1. So value B is greater. Value A just 1. Value B is one number greater in a number greater than 1. If x over b over y, x is greater than y, so x over y is greater than 1. X less than y, so x over y will be less than 1. For example, 1 over 3. 1 is less than 3, so this fraction is less than 1. 4 over 3, 4 greater than 3, so the fraction is greater than 1. Very simple question. Compare between 4 and this fraction. It seems to be 4 is greater than that fraction, or would make 4 over 1 and make cross multiplication. So here will be 0.444, here will be 0.353. So we cancel the decimal. 444 is greater than 353. Value A is greater. For question number 31, we used to multiply by the common LCM between 2 and 1. So multiply here times 2, up times 2, and here 7 times 2 will be 14. And 1 over 2 times 2 will be 1. 14 plus 1 will be 15. So that fraction is 2 over 15. And value B is 2 over 15. So the two values are equal. 2 over 15 and 2 over 15. In question number 32, negative 1 over 2 minus 1 over 3. This will be negative value and here positive. So positive value is greater than negative value. The answer is B. Or if you want to make it here 6 over 2 is 3, here is 3, negative 3 minus negative 2 will be negative 5 over 6 is less than 1 over 5. But directly any positive value is greater than any negative value. Here 1 over 4 minus 1 over 2, we make LCM here 4. So 1 minus 2, multiply here times 2 and multiply here also times 2. 1 minus 2 is negative 1 over 4, here negative and here positive. Positive is greater, so value B is greater. Or directly, this value is less than that one, so it will be negative. Negative is less than positive. B is greater value. B is greater value. In question number 34, 2 minus 5 over 2, and here 3 minus 9 over 8. So we make the same numerator. It will be 2 multiply times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 minus 5 is negative 1 over 5. 3 minus 9 over 8 multiply times 8 times 8. 24 minus 9 will be 15. 15 over 8. So that value is greater, this positive one, and that negative one, value B is greater than value A. Question number 35. Here we cancel the same quantity from here and here because they are equal. Now compare 4 over 5 and 6 over 5. 6 over 5 is greater than 4 over 5. Value A is greater. As they are equal, we cancel equal quantities from both sides. In question number 36, we cancel 1 over 5 and here 1 over 5. Negative 1 over 7. 7, but here negative, so value A is greater because 1 over 6 is greater than 1 over 7. But if we make it negative, so negative 1 over 7 will be greater than negative 1 over 6. In how we make cross product, we cancel the equal value. So we compare between negative 1 over 7 and the negative 1 over 6. 7 times negative 1 is negative 7. 6 times negative 1 is negative 6. Here value A, here value B. So value 7 times negative 1 is negative 7. So here value A is greater than value B. So the answer is value A is greater. So in positive fraction, 1 over 6 and 1 over 7. 1 over 6 is greater than 1 over 7. But in negative value, negative 1 over 6 and negative 1 over 7. Negative 1 over 7 is greater than negative 1 over 6. So here value A, negative 1 over 7 greater than negative 1 over 6.